Welcome to AutistiCoder. Today we're talking about union find, also known as Disjoint Set Union, a powerful data structure that helps you quickly figure out what's connected to what. Some problems are easier when you know what's connected. Union find helps with that, especially when things change often. It's used in graphs, social networks, and even recommendation systems. Let's say we have 5 people. A is friends with B is friends with C, and D is friends with E. That means we have 2 friend groups, A, B, C, and D, E. Union find helps us manage these groups. There are just 2 operations. Union connects 2 elements. Find tells us who's in charge, the root or the boss of the group. Imagine a company merger. That's a union of the 2 companies. You're a new hire. You ask your manager who the CEO is. They don't know, so they ask their manager, and so on. Eventually someone says, "It's Steve." That's find. Here's a basic version of a union find data structure. This data structure has an array to store each person's boss. To find the root, we just have to climb the chain of command. To unite 2 people, we make one root the boss of the other. But if we keep asking managers up the chain, things get slow. So every time we do a find, we shortcut everyone directly to the CEO. That's called path compression, and it makes future finds faster. Here's the same code as before, but with path compression. With path compression and a few other tweaks, union find is blazingly fast. It's practically constant time for most real-world uses. Union find shows up everywhere, from checking social groups online to computer vision to building efficient networks. Can you write a TypeScript program that figures out the friend groups in this list? Hint, it's just like our A through E example, but a little bigger. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. You can also support me at PayPal using AutistiCoder@gmail.com or AutistiCoder on CashApp. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.